9 years old. Our favourite thing about living in Taighean is being close to school and being with our friends.
Yeah.
Ba féin mácinn iad Taighean seo sa chláirsnach ha na parent nach an gopur an seo ha má bhaithir gopur san hospital is ha na áthir gopur sin cuiteach is ha iad an cónaí mo cuairs sa chláirsnach a bhí gopur cáirí duine is mar sin bha féin mácinn ar seo agus cuiteach ha má bhráithir a dul an scóil is cará sin ar son éis na búsa amachchas an scóil ar ha na character na case of the talent show.
So young people and such as myself is with buying properties on Skye. They're either too expensive or if they were to go through the process of buying the homes are priced out by people from away.
Mis mi gallai trwy ffeim yn y choen, stach yn y cwlwyd dawl. O'r mae'n dawd y ffeim, o'ch Taighean fi am. Agus, ha mi cynioch barach hiw, cwtiach na gael gedian. Och, ni o'n y hain, na'r fawr cwgwr mae ywyn. Mi sy'n chi o dawd i glei horid i gwyrdd at dain. Agus, gyda'n dawd i ffricach yr ysôn. Agus, ffeich gyn eisiau. Fiwnas ffwrdd hwnnw, cloimach o'r sam. Agus gyda'n sy'n nila, ac o fi gyma ffeimol.
Yeah, we've been quite limited by the facilities in Staffin so far. The building, the nurses' cottage, is fairly small, and there's difficulty with patients getting access really. There's a few quirks to be aware of in terms of which heaters work and don't, and it's a bit uncomfortable sometimes if you're having to examine a patient on a winter morning and they're one of the first ones in, so it's a bit chilly in there. And equally just simple things like soundproofing, having the radio on probably a little bit too loud in the waiting area to improve confidentiality in the consulting room is not ideal, but they're certainly, they've been workarounds for the last few years.
Wel, rhaid o ffeicrach o'r rhan dogo nôpr y fedian o gyrw. As i hir ta dy feain, agos fawr ac yn as nachmyd. A fe caran bic, fe na siach mar a out yn niw. Agos am i cyniach na dŵr gyledd yn gyfer môr. Chanin gyfil agos ni eisiau.
It's a much needed facility for Staffin, and I think it really will improve what we can provide for patients in that area and just make the whole experience, both for the healthcare professionals and the GPs working in the North End and for patients, just a much more just satisfying experience really. Yeah.
So there's been a huge number of issues at Staffin, and it's really instructive for all of us, I think, to look at what happened there and to identify points in that process where the statutory agencies and Scottish Government could have intervened at a much earlier stage to support the community and enable the community to bring this project forward much more quickly. And I don't think we should ever forget the absolutely huge amount of volunteer time that's put into bringing these types of projects forward by community boards. Quite often a lot of the people that are involved in these types of projects are not paid, and they're doing it because they love their community and they want their community to thrive.
But they really need to think about where they're going to build houses and support a degree of development. So I don't think they've got it right now. I think it feels to me that the current planning system tends to support just an empty environment, empty landscape, when that's not natural at all. I think more thought needs to be put into that, and certainly more consideration of community needs to rebalance between the natural environment and people.
In my opinion, what's good about the development is that young families and people are still be able to live here, and people that work locally are not having to travel as far as they used to, and as well as a whole, the project brought the whole community together and saw a lot of support, not only from Staffin but across the island and further.
Sé an ruta searhí a fiúchan seo an taobh Chaiseil sé go bhfuil tardaine tincholainn a sin fiúch an buon bic má Taighean a tarb clownan seo so ha tarsh cáran ga mo bhreathar bic especially a bhí chuich le daine or chará sin acham so ha go más nachtaí fechan sin.
What's the worst thing about living here? The midges or the wind?
Midges are the worst thing.
And do you cycle to school every day?
Yeah.
What's your top speed?
50 miles per hour, I don't know.